Hello, I'm Dr. Gus Ferreri. I've been in practice 27 years, and during that period of time, I've tried to always be on the lookout for additional things to help my patients. I graduated magna cum laude in 1993 from New York Chiropractic College, and one of the things that has come across and gotten my attention, and kept my attention, is Alpha-Stim. Alpha-Stim was first presented to me by Jack White, and I know Jack for a while, and Jack, very serious, very straightforward, honest guy, always looking to help other people. And since that day, I've used it a bit on my patients. And more recently, I've started to use it more consistently with my patients and on myself. And what I've found is personally, I've had to deal with decades of being somewhat, shall we say, on the edgy side, anxious, difficult sleeping, and really very quickly it has gotten a very nice result with me, to the point where like I go to bed and I go to sleep really relatively quickly, and I sleep very soundly, which is a tremendous help across the board in life. No matter what you have to do, what you're dealing with, if you're not getting a good night's sleep, you're at a disadvantage already. So that alone makes Alpha-Stim priceless. But also now in the treatment of pain, Alpha-Stim's track record is really great. I mean, we have wounded war veterans, Navy SEALs, Black Op, Green Berets, who are getting relief with Alpha-Stim, whereas everything the VA could do for them, operations and surgery, they weren't doing as well as they wanted to do. And that says a lot, because these people, you probably are aware, suffer some hellacious injuries, post-traumatic stress disorders, etc. And, to have a modality like Alpha-Stim to help these people is a God-given gift. And, I don't know, like, what else I could say, like to me, if you can help these people, and I deal with some pretty tough stuff, so, Alpha-Stim is becoming an increasing part of my practice. I want you all to think about something. I want to emphasize something here. Most people, unfortunately, who are suffering with anxiety and depression, insomnia, which is frequently, by the way, brought on by chronic pain, but regardless of the source, many of you become dependent on drugs. Unfortunately, mainstream medicine has nothing else to offer. When that happens to you, you're chemically altering your brain waves. And the outcome is invariably unhealthy. With Alpha-Stim, this puts a gentle wave through your brain, which balances things out, relaxes you, drug-free, and the percent of people who respond very, very well, people with anxiety, depression, and insomnia, very, very high. I forget the exact numbers, but it's pushing around 90%. Okay? Just using Alpha-Stim. Now realize what's happening here. You're getting healthy much more naturally. You're getting healthy without the use of drugs. It's something that, in addition to which, I mean, you use up your prescription, you got to refill. You use it up, refill. Use it up, refill. And very, very frequently, they add more drugs to your protocol. Okay? This is a device which you can use the rest of your life. And your family can use it as well. Okay? It's something very, very important for you to think about. Okay? I'm about getting healthy naturally without the use of drugs. That's why I went into the profession I went into. And now, through the use of functional medicine, I can do even more for people. So you see how simple this is? I am right now giving myself an Alpha-Stim treatment. 2 soft clips on my earlobes, set the machine, and that's all I have to do. Same thing whether I'm studying, when I get in bed at night, or during the day. It's that easy. Now this is a relaxing treatment. This isn't for pain, although it can be for pain depending on the setting I put. And again, you know, this is something that your family can use. Okay, if for example, your mate, your husband or your wife comes home, they've had a stressful day, and you want to just simply get them to relax, all you have to do is apply Alpha-Stim just the way I'm doing right now. You know, so you benefit even when you're not using it directly on yourself. So if you would like to try Alpha-Stim, I would be pleased to give you a complimentary treatment with Alpha-Stim, okay, at my office. Just call my number and make an appointment for yourself, and it'd be great to meet you.